Well, hello. The Uber marketplace, the Uber rental car is not for everyone. All right. It doesn't work for some people. And there are different reasons for that to be so. And I'm going to explain some of that because of the comments I get on this channel from time to time when I talk about the Uber rental. I'm guaranteed to get comments back from people that's going to detail in every way they can as to why the Uber rental, and I mean, I get long comments as to why the Uber rental is not going to work for anybody, how it's crazy, it's ludicrous, blah, blah, blah. So let's talk a little bit about this because it doesn't work for everyone. And I'm going to explain in this video why it does not work for everyone. The Uber rental car for some people just won't work. All right. And I'm going to explain that because I think there's some reasons for that. All right. There's two, in fact, I'm going to come up with right now on the spot. There are two reasons why the Uber rental car will not work for some drivers. Market, your location. That's the biggie. And then the other one that I've come up with is they're lazy. All right. You cannot go out and rent an Uber rental car or rental vehicle, SUV like I have, to go and do Uber in and work it the same way you worked your personal car. Understand this. It's got unlimited mileage on it. So when you get a rental, you can work that puppy as much as you want. You don't have to worry about that odometer clicking over every day. All right. That's the biggie with a lot of people, and why they don't run Uber as hard as they want to is because they're putting mileage on their personal vehicle. With a rental, you don't have to worry about that. But then there's some people that just go out and they continue. They'll go rent the vehicle, and then they'll work that couple hours in the morning. They'll work those few hours in the evening, just like they did with their personal car, and then go, oh, I can't make my rental payment. This is not working. Oh, golly, you got to work. If you get a rental vehicle, don't just let it sit in the yard and think it's going to make you money sitting there. Get out and make that puppy work. Go out and put you in a 10-hour day. See what happens. Do something different than you did with your personal vehicle. Don't fall into the same traps. That's why it doesn't work for so many people, because I get the comments. All right. And location now, the first thing I talked about here is a biggie also. If you're in an area where there is just not a lot of Ubering anyway, don't think that the Uber vehicle, the rental vehicle, is going to work for you. All right. It doesn't work for everyone because of that. All right. I've been renting a vehicle for over 4 years now, continuously. I've never been out of a rental vehicle. Every vehicle, pulling on my hair, every time I swap out, I get a new vehicle. All right. And I've told you the games that I play on here about how you can make money because first impressions. All right. It's that first impression when you're pulling up in a rental vehicle. All right. I get a lot of comments from people that have taken my advice, that have gone out and rented a vehicle, and they're working it. They're making it work, and they're talking about how much more they're making. You can go look at some of the comments on the videos and everything. But then I get comments from people that I have to laugh about, because these kind of comments will be paragraph after paragraph after paragraph explaining why the rental program is crazy and how they have got their own personal vehicle that they've had for so many years. It's been doing great. They take care of their own maintenance, the insurance, blah, blah, blah. They'll explain in detail as to why they think the rental program won't work. All right. It's hard to take them serious. It really is, because of comments I get from people that are making it work, and from my own personal experience. On this channel, I only ever talked about what works for me. All right. How I've made the rental program work. Now, I have to also throw in this little disclaimer when I say that. Daddy always had experience before Uber. Before anyone ever thought about there being an Uber company. Daddy-O was doing transportation. Daddy-O was moving people around in taxis, limos, party buses, black sedans. If it's moved people, Daddy-O has done it. Well, over those years, I learned games. I learned little things that you need to do. You greet, you meet, you talk, write music, write smell, write everything. You do those little simple little things I talk about on here from time to time. I don't want to get into it, but those little simple things I talk on here from time to time, you do those along with a new vehicle. And that first impression when you pull up, it makes the rental work. Location now, let's get into that. I work in an area where it's high end. I have high end hotels. I have high end resorts. I have high end restaurants. People move in between. Right now, I'm sitting in between those locations, the hotels, the resorts, and the high end restaurants, the bars, the things that people want to do are that way. I'm parked in the middle. I've told you little games that I've played over many, many videos about how to use the Riders app to kind of put yourself in the right positions, the right spots, to stay away from the other drivers, closer to where you want runs coming from. I've told you I cherry pick. I've done little things that I've learned over the years doing high-end stuff. So I've learned to make the rental definitely work for me, all right? And I try to instruct some of that on these videos. And the rental program will work for you if you have certain things in place, and that's a location, all right? And then you play the little games, the little simple things that I talk about on here a lot, all right? You do certain things, the rental will work. But some people are just lazy. That's just what it comes down to. No matter what you tell them in detail, go do this, go do that. If you do this, if you smile, if you greet, if you make the car, if you do these certain things, there's no way you can fail. There really isn't, all right? Just do those 4 little simple things I talk about on here quite often, all right? I'm not going to talk about all of them today because there's too many videos on this channel. But it comes down to, I just think it comes down because I get people that are going to say, I did this, I did that, I played, and it didn't work. I can't help it. All right. I can only tell you what I do, what works for me, and what other people are commenting on this channel when I talk about this. I can guarantee you though, this video, now the last video I did was something else because we were talking about YouTube, doing a YouTube. I didn't expect that video to get a whole lot of views because it's not on a subject people are interested in. Very few are interested in doing a YouTube channel about Uber. All right. But when I talk about the rental program, that's been the #1 subject on this channel for a year now. All right. That's been the #1 subject on this channel is the rental program. When I talk about it, I'm still going to get those comments from people that say it. But what about this? What about that? Now, look, I've been doing it too freaking long. All right. And there's other people that are doing the same thing. I know other people that were in the business with me long before Uber that work in a different location than I do right now. They still play the same games. They still do the same thing. I hear from them. We're friends. All right. I know what they do. They know what I do. All right. They don't know about this channel, but they know what I do. All right. They know that we all learn the same thing. Do certain things when you got people in the car. When you do that, when they get out, chances are they're going to lay some money down for you. Or chances are they're going to give you some money on the app. Either way, you're trying to make the extras that I talk about on here quite often. But some people just can't grasp the concept that, yeah, you've been doing it for so long in that one vehicle for the last 4 or 5, 6 years, however long you've been running that one vehicle, and it's been doing you great. What happens when you step into a new vehicle and you pull up and those same people start getting in your vehicle and you're talking to them, the car smells good, the music is right. Little simple things. You're going to get a different results. All right. If you're happy with that little Uber money that you've been making for so long, get it on those runs, those rides with these people because you've been driving the same damn car for 8 years or 6 years or whatever you've been doing it. I got this down. This is what I do. This is how I make my couple hundred a week, or 300 or 400 a week. This is how I do it. Look, there is so much more money to be made with Uber. And a lot of people are leaving money on the table. And I think it's because it comes down to they're lazy. They don't want to change. They don't want to try something new to see if it'll work for them for a short period of time. I don't know. You let me know in the comment section. Subscribe, ring the bell, do the thumbs up. You can hype the video if you would. That actually works out pretty good. I didn't know about all that until here recently, but you can hype this video and it helps the channel, I guess, somehow. I haven't figured it all out yet. I'm still working on Uber stuff. So anyway, you guys have a good afternoon, good evening, and I'm gonna let you go for today. I'm done. I got to go back to work. This is Monday, the day after after the 4th of July weekend, and things are shaking. People are moving around a little bit. Have a good afternoon, good evening. Daddy-o out. Bye.